I'm Jesse Kaiser and this is Matt Goins with Tick Performance, and we're here to tell you guys about our new DIY billet elbow for 4150, 4500 intakes. So this is a really awesome design that Matt Goins here designed in-house, and we've got one of our first test mules right here in front of us. And this is a billet elbow design for 4150 and 4500 cast manifold intakes, right?
That's correct. So what we've done is we've made a kit to elongate the flange opening of a 4500 manifold. So this is actually 2 1/8 inches longer than a 4500 manifold is out of the box. Same width, carries the same width, just a longer opening, and it's much more massive than your 4150. Yeah, so what it does is it evens out that airflow distribution. Typically in your 4150, 4500 manifolds, your outer runners or front two, rear two are always longer, and there's really no way to go away from a longer runner in a cast manifold or a cast single 4 manifold. It's always going to be there, no matter what manifold it is, unless there's one that I don't know about. Some of them are worse than others, and then a lot of times what happens is the air enters the manifold and it gets really turbulent, and it doesn't like to make that turn to those front runners. It would rather take the path of least resistance and go to the center section of runners. And what this does is it kind of opens that plenum up, stretches it out, and gives it the ability to get that air into those cylinders where it needs it.
And so this is a kind of do-it-yourself kit that we include everything here, and guys can weld it at home, right?
Exactly. So it's the first of its kind. Again, to our knowledge, there hasn't been a DIY kit of this nature on the market available. You can buy 4150, 4500 billet elbows all day, sheet metal, but there hasn't been a modification kit in this nature to where you can be a home guy, a DIY guy. You'll be able to buy the kit. A lot of guys have, decent tools. It doesn't take expensive machinery to do this modification. And you can do the work at home, or you can have someone that you trust and someone that you know, a fab shop, do the work for you. And you're not spending that custom intake manifold money like a lot of guys have to do to get such a thing.
Right on.
Includes an SFI burst panel with the kit, non-stick gasket, black trim ring, stainless hardware as well.
Awesome. And then the elbow also has provisions for a left side throttle linkage or a right side throttle linkage.
What that does is it gives you the ability to run the throttle body in your standard configuration with cable on the driver's side, or you can flip it and run your cable on the passenger side. And this could be helpful for clearance reasons with some throttle bodies.
Cool. And then we've got 4 provisions if you need access for sensors or a vacuum port or anything.
Correct. So there's 4 built-in provisions for boost reference, vacuum reference, sensors, etc. You just have to drill and tap to your desired NPT size.
Cool. And what's this material?
It is 6061 aluminum.
How long does it take to machine a full kit?
It takes about 2.5 hours to machine a full kit start to finish.
So the kits are in stock today and they retail for
$9.95.
Right on.